Problem 5, blah, 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 greater than 8. We want to be more than 8 away. More than 8 away. So if here you are, we want to be more than 8 feet away. So we could be going that direction or that direction, which means we're going to end up with an or situation. And we know that because it's greater. So that always means or. So let's solve this. Well, before we go and try to do the positive absolute value with a negative absolute value, we got to move that 1 over. So we're going to have to start by subtracting 1. And so what we're really looking for is where does the absolute value of 4n minus 3 greater than 7 away? So we want to be more than 7 away from that 0. So we say 4n minus 3, the positive piece greater than 7, greater. So this is an or between them. And the negative piece greater than 7. Solving the left piece, subtract 3, 4n bigger than 4, divide by 4. We want n greater than 1. Or over here, what do we have? We will start always by dividing by negative 1, which will always give us this 4n minus 3 back. It will always make that inequality flip and this piece become negative. Now solving it, we add 3, 4n less than negative 4, divide by 4, n less than negative 1. I did not flip my sign because I did not divide by a negative. So this is an or. We're looking for n's bigger than 1 or less than negative 1. So if I had a graph here, negative 1, 1, they'd be going bigger than 1 and less than negative 1, going in opposite ways, getting further away, greater than so many feet away from the 0. Number 6, how do we start? First step, going to have to divide by 2. Divide by 2, so I'm looking for 2n plus 1 less than 5. So I need to be within 5 feet. I need to be closer, within 5 feet of the 0. So how do we solve it? Very simple, same as always. Less than, so this is going to be an and then the opposite piece, less than 5. Solving here, minus 1, divide by 2, we're going to get less than 2. Over here, start always, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, gives me that center piece of what's inside the absolute value. Inequality will always flip and this will become negative. Now we just solve it. Move the number over, looking for 2n bigger than negative 6, divide by 2, bigger than negative 3. Again, don't flip the inequality because I did not divide by negative. This is an and, meaning it's between. It's within 5 feet. Okay, this is n smaller than 2 and bigger than negative 3. So I like for you to put the smaller number here, bigger number here. N is between them. Alligators don't have or equal to's. They eat towards the bigger number to the right. And think about it. Is this correct? Well, n's bigger than negative 3. That's what that says. And here, n's smaller than 2. That's what that says. So yes, I've written it correctly. That is the way to write it.